Hey Google, play Christmas carols.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy.
Good morning.
Standing up close.
Look at you with your hair.
Can I get the note?
Yeah. I couldn't believe it when I saw them. Look at Willie.
He's holding my hair.
He's holding the mullet. What a cheeky elf. Look at her looking at you, Kaisi. She's like, wow, I love your new do. Look at this guy hanging upside down. That's funny. What did they say? Hi Kai, we love your new haircut, but we'll miss your mullet. Will you ever grow it again? Love, Charlie and the elves. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? You got to enjoy your short hair first. Hey friends, welcome back. I hope you're all doing amazing. So we actually have a really fun day planned today. Hello my boy, do you want to say hi? Alfie's gonna say hi to you guys first. Oh good lord, you are heavy. Say hi friends. He's just hanging out as well. But yes, as I was saying, we have a super fun day planned today. It's actually one of my besties' 40th birthday parties tonight, so I'm really excited for that. So this is my friendship group from high school. We've all stayed best friends like forever, and her husband and our two other best friends from high school and their husbands, we're all dressing up in the Barbie workout attire, so it's going to be really fun tonight. We all bought these costumes to go matchy together, which I'm really excited about, so it should be a lot of fun. And she also asked me to make her 40th birthday cake. I am no cake maker, my friends, but she still wanted me to go ahead and do it. I haven't made a big cake like this in a long time, so I'm very nervous. I did, however, pre-cook the cakes and I froze them. So I took them out this morning to defrost. I did 6 cakes worth, but there's 2 in each cake like this. So there's 3 of these going to be stacked on top of each other, and I'm going to do like a naked cake. So this is a chocolate devil's food cake, and then I'm going to do white buttercream icing, just lightly kind of glaze it around the edges, and then on top I'm going to do a salted caramel drip, and then add some flowers and some bits and pieces and a sign and candles and all that good stuff. So wish me luck, my friends. I'm gonna need it. Let's go ahead. Oh, I'll go ahead and put in some of the footage of baking the cakes. I think I just got a little bit, and then we'll jump straight on into the decorating part. Buttercream is all done, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the fridge, and I'm going to get started on the salted caramel. Where did he go? Kaisi! He literally vanished. There he is. How do you feel today without your mullet?
Good.
It felt like waking up to a different child, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's funny. In the shower last night, he went to go wash his hair and he was like, oh, there's nothing there to wash. Is it quicker? I bet it was. All right, let's make some salted caramel sauce. Here is the tower of cakes. I ran out of piping bags, so I'm gonna do a makeshift little plastic bag and try and pipe all of the white icing on, and then we'll decorate it and we're out of here. Alright, so that's the crumb coat done. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and cool it, and then we'll do the final layer.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat.
Right, here's the cake ice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour on the salted caramel and then put all the decorations on.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table.
Right, you guys, the cake is all done. Here she is. I'll give you a closer look. So I went ahead, poured all the caramel sauce over the top, and then added the Maltesers, the flowers, candles, and the 40th sign. I went with rose gold because I thought it was just a bit more softer going against the chocolate cake and the white icing. But I think it's the same happy 40th that I had on my cake. I just had the gold with mine. But yeah, I think it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? These flowers are out of my mum's garden, and then these ones are artificial. Okay, here is the costume. Is that sexy or what? Oh, actually I have a hat as well. I'll put the hat on, show you guys. Okay, here it is. It's actually very comfortable. I'm excited to be going to a dress-up party wearing something comfortable. It's gonna be outdoors. It's nice and warm today, so it'll be perfect. These shorts are a little bit loose, so I've like pulled them up really high, because if I have them down here, they just kind of hang on me. But yeah, this is it, and let's go find Tones and I'll show you his Ken outfit. Oh my goodness. And Tones, you can see him in the background. I'll get Tones to come and show you his outfit as well, because the Ken ones are actually really cool. But this is it. And then I just chucked on some white chunky sneakers. Ken baby, eat your heart out. How cool are the guys ones though? I love it. gotta grab that bag and then we are out of here. I'm so excited. I just hope there's enough cake to feed everyone. I think there should be. There's about 80 people coming and it's like 6 cakes worth. I think it should, and I just hope she likes it. Like, I hope it's worthy of her 40th birthday. Can you guys tell I'm stressed? All right, this will do. Let's go.
You're already on my mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret. Friends already know there's no reason to hold it back. I let it show all my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer